Hi class, this is Abe here, making another video this time. It's going to be on directional and non-directional hypothesis. And the reason for this video is because in our second paper, um, we are being asked to report within the method, a section of the paper, whether or not the hypothesis is directional. So what does this mean? Directional hypothesis, this hypothesis, when it's directional, it states the direction of the predicted difference. So usually when you are reading this hypothesis, you're going to be able to see, if something increased, something decreased. You're going to be able to see the direction of that change. So this, in effect, uh, asks us to do a one-tailed test. When it's directional, then we're going to have a one-tailed test. Why? Because we know the direction that it's going. We have also the non-directional hypothesis. This hypothesis, when it's not directional, it states that there will be a difference or change. However, this is the key. It does not predict which way it's going to go. So you don't know if it's going to increase, you don't know if it's going to decrease. All you know is that there's going to be a difference, there's going to be a change, there's going to be an impact. In that case, we are going to be doing a two-tail test. Why? Because we don't know what it's going to do. If it's going to increase, decrease. So that's why we are doing a two-tail test. Let us do a quick example, a fairly easy example. For a directional hypothesis, the example is that poverty increases crime in a city. So you can clearly see the word increases there. This automatically shows us that this is going to be a directional hypothesis. Why? Because it's stating the direction. What is the direction? It's going to increase. Crime is going to increase because of poverty. We are going to be doing a one-tailed test because it's showing the direction. And here we have again, hypothesis states the direction, which is increase. We also have non-directional hypothesis. So the example for this one is very similar to the first one. Poverty affects crime in a city. So if you look at it, one word was enough to change from directional to non-directional. So here, why is this non-directional? Well, because it's not showing us the direction. It's not telling us if it's going to increase, if it's going to decrease. All it's telling us is that it's going to affect crime in the city. In that case, we are going to do a two-tailed test. Why? Because it does not state the direction. It only tells us that it's going to affect the crime. Okay, so I hope this helps. Again, first one, it shows us the direction. Second one, we don't know what direction is going to go. It just shows that it's going to affect. So I hope this video helps. This is very important because, we are going to be, referring to one-tailed test, two-tailed test. We're going to be having to know if it's a directional or non-directional in our paper. So I hope this video helps. Take care.